Hello everyone. Today we're going for another Q&A session, and this time it's all about the fantastic Frenchic products by Frenchic furniture paint. What is Frenchic? Basically, Frenchic is a metallic powder. You can find 5 colors. We have the beautiful bronze, we have the green goddess, the gorgeous gold, the sexy silver, and the cool copper. Basically, we can mix it either with the finishing coat or with the clear wax, and I'm going to show you how. The Frenchic is also a product which is makeup certified. So if you follow our page, you can see myself during the carnival period in February. I was using the Frenchic basically to make some good exposés with the green goddess and the gorgeous gold on our dancers wearing their carnival costume. How do we apply the Frenchic? So basically we have 2 or 3 ways how to use it. The first 2 ways are by mixing with the finishing coat. If we want a very thick consistency, we just use more powder and less liquid. And here I will be showing you how. So it's just some drops, and we take it very slowly, bit by bit, because here we want to create a paste rather than a very liquidy effect. And here we have the effect that we want, which is very thick. And how do we apply? Simple. We just put the brush, and we have a very thick effect with the Frenchic and finishing coat. This would take another coat to have a solid golden color. Now, if we want to have just a little bit more of liquid effect, we just increase the finishing coat. We mix, so the mix is more of a liquid rather than a paste, and we apply as we want. Basically we have, this is the second effect. And after that we just remove the excess. Make sure that if you want to remove the excess, do it fast, because this dries really quick. Now, so these are the 2 effects you can do with the finishing coat and the Frenchic. Here is our second coat. And now we can use, hello Peppa. Just for you to know, Peppa is just around complaining that it is very hot. So the next effect we can create with the finishing coat is simply by using the powder with the clear wax, or even if you want to with the browning wax or any other waxed color. So you just use some clear wax. We mix the powder with the wax and like this we can apply it. We just apply the wax and we have this different effects. So basically it's more of a sparkle rather than a solid color. And these are the 3 ways we can mix our French sheen with finishing coat or wax. Now, one last tip. If you want to age your gold, you can either use the gorgeous gold with the wax, the gorgeous gold with the cool copper, or else gorgeous gold with a tip of sexy silver. So basically we have 2 powders, gold and silver, and we're creating an aged gold. So basically if you have a piece of furniture and you want to have an older looking gold, like a vintage gold or an antique gold, you just mix gold and silver together and you have this color here. And we're covering this one, and you can see how different it comes out as gold. Before we conclude for today, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo, and we also hope that you're finding our sessions interesting, and also if you have any questions, please do ask. That's why we're here for, to answer all your questions with regards to upcycling, decorating. Thank you.